As you can see by the thumbnail and the title, we're going to be going on a little trip. We're going to get to see a day in my life, what I do on a daily basis. Today might be one of those not so creative days, and I say that meaning that, there's 2 jobs I have today and they both are funerals. So if you're interested in this kind of stuff, filmmaking, funerals for some reason, or just cameras and that whole aspect of stuff, feel free to subscribe on the channel.
No, it's not you.
I don't know if you can hear me or what, but funeral done. It was a pretty big funeral today. A lot of technicalities in terms of getting stuff up, audio. The one we had before started to smell like and started to make like a hissing sound like it wanted to smoke. But we have Shane here. First feature onto the channel. We have our next funeral later on today, so stay tuned for that. I have some videos to edit. I really just waiting feedback on one and the other one I had to finish up. So yeah, finish up that and probably chill out Starbucks for a little bit, kill some time, and then head into the next location in a bit. Alright guys, so our next funeral was until like 2 o'clock, so we had a little time to spare. We decided to go by this new spot I was mentioning to Shane, Chinatown. I ordered orange chicken. I think it was like egg rice or something like that. While there, I decided to show some new purchases I made. They all got big like shit on my own.
Nah, I'm sleeping.
The vehicle tuk-tuk, you know what?
One kiss inside, nice, bro. How nice. Nice line on that too, bro. Check.
And I have to get tomato too. To get the tomato too.
Hey, that's very. Hey, nah, that's hot. The material inside like this material.
Yeah, and it's matching. It's like how it matching.
It is, bro. Like imagine you step out with like your laptop sleeve and just this other one.
For real.
Like harder, like a nice. Clap. I like this. What is this? What's up? What is this? What is this? DJ, is it actually DJ?
Check it out that too.
Is yours?
Yeah, man.
This is the DJ Mini, right?
That is the Mini.
Holy fuck. Bro, but honestly, I can't lie. The Mini 2 one bigger. The design itself, like, have a nice design, but the smaller one so much nicer, bro. Like, bro, when you put it, this, yeah, you barely notice it.
And cheaper, bro.
You're all invested in the content creation.
Yeah, bro, I want to take it serious. I was so excited to go hiking.
Yeah, what you wanna?
All this stuff inside there. Like, you could leave on the clips, the wind muff and the cable.
Okay. Because it has space for the wind muff.
Yeah,
because it actually has plenty of space on top. Yeah, you can leave the wind muff.
We don't even bump it in the old pouch.
That's so fucking bad, bro. Get the full creator setup there. MacBook. Get the flicking Anchor power bank. Get the full shit right over here.
Thank you. We out. Yeah, that's the food. You the bag over there? Yeah, sure. Today wasn't really eventful day. It's literally, as the title says, to see what I do in the day. Obviously, I didn't show a lot of footage because we have to still pay our respects to the deceased and their families. That, as well as I also didn't have a camera guy. I hope you all enjoy all the same. I have a couple of videos coming out right after this, so make sure and turn on the bell notification and subscribe if you want to see more exciting stuff.
Look to the right on the end, my dear.
They followed her around all day, but they too would pass through this. Even when she went out, she would hurry back home because she would say her babies are waiting for her. Of course, being her only son, she had a special place in her heart for me.
Alright guys, so this marks the end of the video. I really hope you all enjoy. Let me know down in the comment section if you all want a more in-depth video, like a week in the life. I know I was limited on what I could have shoot. I'll try to see if I could do more creative stuff and music videos and even corporate stuff, so you could get like that more Hollywood kind of vibes. So yeah, let me know down below. Until next time, peace.
Who's calling my phone? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit?
Even others in the community would experience the
Hungry as
results
hell,
of
bro.
her prayers.